Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about bath bombs, but before we get started, let us give you some basic information.
Bath bombs are all natural and handmade bath-time treats that moisturize your skin. They were invented in 1985 by Mo Constantine. Here's a picture of who she is. She is one of Lush founders and she made them to make people feel happy and relaxed.
Now let's talk about the benefits of bath bomb. Baking soda helps to clean and smooth the skin. It is also an antacid for indigestion and heartburn. Citric acid is an antioxidant that reduces the effects of aging. It also helps repair the skin and fortify blood vessels. Citric acid can also help loosen the damaged layers of skin. This results in healthier and younger skin. Now let's talk about the chemical reaction that occurs when a bath bomb comes into contact with water. When baking soda and citric acid are mixed and are then put in water, they undergo a chemical reaction. The reaction produces lots of bubbles, which you see as the bath bomb dissolves in the water. These bubbles that make the water become so fizzy and are made of carbon dioxide gas. Most commonly known as baking soda, sodium bicarbonate appears as a fine white powder. Chemically, it is a weak alkaline that doesn't fully ionize in water. Therefore, it needs a helping hand in order to foam. This is where citric acid steps in.
In water, baking soda quickly dissolves and the positively charged sodium breaks apart from the negatively charged bicarbonate. Meanwhile, the citric acid also dissolves with a single hydrogen ion separating from the rest of the molecule. Then, that positively charged hydrogen from the citric acid and the negatively charged bicarbonate from the baking soda mingle, very quickly undergoing a series of reactions. One of the end products is carbon dioxide. Because carbon dioxide is a gas, it forms small bubbles in the bath water, creating a delightful fizz.
What's up guys, I'm Dan, and today we're going to be making intergalactic bath bombs. The first step is actually the insert. The insert is made up of sodium bicarbonate, which is just a fancy name for baking soda, some snowflake luster, some peppermint and cedarwood oil, and to bind it all together, we use one of our bubble mixers. After we mix that all together, it's set aside for our pressing team. We'll get to that a little later. We then add a yellow layer, which is made with a yellow luster. And all of the lusters we use at Lush are completely plastic free. We then add peppermint oil and cedarwood oil, and then that gets added to some sodium bicarbonate.
We actually repeat these exact same steps for both the red and blue layer.
Once all the mixes are complete, they'll be given to our pressing team. They'll put it all together and make that wonderful intergalactic bath bomb.
It is always best to make your own handmade bath bombs to prevent any allergic reactions. Make sure to use your bath bombs within 6 months, or else they can create less fizz and crumble and break down.
One cup of baking soda. One cup of cornstarch. Half a cup of sea salt. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. Half a cup of lemon juice. Two drops of color dye.
So this one is the normal amount with 4 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
For this bath bomb, we are testing the extra baking soda. This bath bomb contains 6 tablespoons and 4 teaspoons.
For our third try, we will increase the measurements and put 8 tablespoons. Bath bombs are important to chemistry because of the essential oils that it gives to the body and the chemical reaction that occurs. Chemical reactions are important to chemistry because it can change an object's physical property. It can store energy and release it. Our bath bomb stored in energy after being solidified from a mold. Once it came in contact with water, it created a fizzling reaction that released carbon dioxide. In conclusion, our intergalactic bath bomb dissolved a lot quicker due to doubling up on the recommended measurements of lemon juice and baking soda. This resulted in a short and quick reaction.